एक दोपहर 1000 लोग एक मिशन, बीच का फुल क्लीन अप। शहर तो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और इसके साथ बढ़ती है हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन्हें प्रिजर्व करने की। और इसीलिए आज मैं आपको मिलाने लाया हूं एक ऐसे ग्रीन गार्डियन से जिसने कोचिन को प्रिजर्व करने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली है और अपने साथ 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा वॉलंटियर्स को जोड़ चुका है।
Hi all, myself Afsal B. I'm the founder and CEO of Captain Social Foundation, a youth-led non-profit organization in Kerala. For the past 18 years, I was been volunteering in the field of health, education and environment conservation. And my dream is to create a network of youth who can be the change and change makers in the community. I'm glad to be selected as a Green Guardian by UNICEF UA and I Volunteer. I believe it's a greater responsibility for me to continue doing my activities and inspire more people to come forward to work for the environment.
Every month, we mobilize thousands of volunteers to preserve our oceans. We identify areas for cleanup, we mobilize volunteers through our networks, and we provide them all the resources they need. And then we hunt for the trash.
So Afzal, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very excited and happy to see all the volunteers coming up here doing their first time volunteering activity.
I feel good to meet so many people. I feel great to clean the nature or serve the people.
Celebration of the volunteers we are ultimately seeing among the youth and all. Volunteers are traveling from above 100 kilometers and they are coming to this volunteering program.
How many people do you think attended today?
I hope it's around like 1000 plus volunteers had came. As you can see the crowd over there going. So I think it's around 2.5 tons of waste we had collected.
What a wonderful day this has been. Heartwarming to see so many people come through. You know, in my experience of volunteering, what I've realized is that the more you volunteer, the more you want to do it. And there are 3 main reasons for that. First is that you meet so many new people and make so many new friendships at these events. Second is that you learn new skills when you're organizing these events. And third, and the most important of them all, is that you feel good about yourself at the end of the day that you have done something good for the environment. तो डाउनलोड करें मेरी लाइफ ऐप और आज ही कदम बढ़ाएं एनवायरनमेंट के लिए।